Hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Khalid Masood Kareem. In this yearly video tutorial, I will share technical aspects and techniques of top volume leaders of the Karachi Stock Exchange. It is not a recommendation to buy or sell. The Karachi Stock Exchange 100 Index closed at 43,755 level on December 31, 2020. The closing is above the yearly pivot level of 38,889 and also above the 4-year simple moving average. The yearly resistance and support levels are at 50,730 and 33,819 respectively. Technically, it is trading sideways within two horizontal lines. The yearly volume is greater than the last year's volume. The Unity Foods closed at 32.05 level on December 31, 2020. The closing is above the yearly pivot level of 22.14 and is also above the 4-year moving average. The volume of 2020 is greater than the yearly volumes of 2019 and 2018, respectively. The yearly resistance and support levels are at 45.90 and 8.10 respectively. Technically, it is trading sideways within the range of long upper shadow of the year 2017. Trading sideways, within such a wide range, doesn't mean that it will remain directionless. By studying the lower degree time frame chart, may show profitable moves. The TRG closed at 91.41 level on December 31, 2020. The closing is above the yearly pivot level of 55.18 and also above the 4-year moving average. The yearly resistance and support levels are at 302.37 and 58.08 respectively. Technically, the whole year of 2020 trading produced a strong bullish candle, with a 4-time volume than the year 2019's volume. It is also showing a successful breakout from the 3 years duration, tight flag formation. It is likely to test the overhead resistance, either this year or next year. The Maple Leaf Cement closed at 45.01 level on December 31, 2020. The closing is above the yearly pivot of 32.49, but is below the 4-year simple moving average. The yearly resistance and support levels are at 60.20 and 34.06 respectively. The volume of year 2020 is double the volume of the year 2019. Let's see the outcome of the inside candle of year 2020, in 2021. The K Electric closed at 3.91 level on December 31, 2020. The closing is below the yearly pivot level of 4.02, and is also below the 4-year moving average. The yearly resistance and support levels are at 6.53 and 2.57. Technically, it is well contained within a downward sloping price channel. The PRL closed at 23.79 level on December 31, 2020. The closing is above the yearly pivot level of 20.00, but below the 4-year moving average. The yearly resistance and support levels are at 53.72 and 9.10 respectively. Technically, it has managed to close above the falling wedge pattern. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.